Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan. I'm a spiritual guide, a healer, and a medium. To my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. And thank you for liking and sharing, and especially commenting, because I absolutely love to interact with you guys. This week is a channel message from your angels. Your angels have something that they want you to master, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. But make sure to only take what resonates with you, because this is a general channel message. Now on with the channel message. This week, you're being called to look within. This week, your angels want you to begin to master something. They want you to begin to master your vibrational frequencies. And not only your vibrational frequency, but everything in your reality. They want you to start to see things as a vibrational frequency, to help you understand on a much deeper level that as far as manifesting, it isn't always just about taking action. There are other things that you're able to do to help raise your vibrational frequency, to get you to the exact vibrational frequency of what is it that you desire. Therefore, this week, really start to look as far as your everyday life. Really start to look as far as what is it that you're consuming, because whatever it is that you're consuming is consuming you. Becoming clear, is this helping raise my vibrational frequency, or is it diminishing it? Is it dropping it? Start to analyze these things as far as television shows, as far as music, as far as the people that you hang around with, as far as the places that you're going, as far as the types of foods that you're consuming, as far as certain bad habits that you're still hanging on to. And that's one of the things, as far as when you go through the spiritual awakening process, the majority of people leave your life. The majority of people are repelled by you. And oftentimes, this happens often with people that are going through their awakening, where it is the bad habit that they will hang on to the most, because it is the last thing which is keeping that cord tied to your old self compared to your new self. But this week, make it a conscious effort. Really begin to think as far as what is it that you want to attract in your life. And whatever it is that you want to attract in your life, are you consuming that type of content, that type of material? Or else, as an example, are you watching horror movies? Are you watching, some type of shows where there's a lot of violence? Really start to look as far as every little thing that you're doing in your life and evaluate. Is it raising your vibrational frequency? Is it making you feel better? Because as far as raising your vibrational frequency, everyone thinks it's just love and light, but you have to let go of certain things, certain habits that at that moment might make you feel better, but in the long run, it's going to cause you to not raise your vibrational frequency fast enough. But it all starts with creating that inner peace. Really focus on that at first. Right now, are you living a peaceful life? If not, start evaluating as far as what is it do I need to remove out of that? Because once you're able to start to create that inner peace, all of a sudden that love is going to start to come forth. You're going to be raising your vibrational frequency, and it's going to become clearer and clearer, because as far as this journey that we're on, it is your vibrational frequency that dictates how quickly you move forward. It's your vibrational frequency which dictates how much knowledge and how much information you will be receiving. But it all starts with really analyzing everything that is keeping you in a lower vibrational frequency and letting it go once and for all. And the reason why your angels wanted you to focus on this is the past year and a half, we've all been in lockdown. The last year and a half, everything has been closed. Therefore, it's been very difficult to raise our vibrational frequency with the limited amount of things we're able to do. But now it's summertime. Now everything is reopening back up. Therefore, unexpected blessings and miracles have more of an opportunity to come into your life. And as far as raising your vibrational frequency, it isn't just about the inner work. It's about having wonderful experiences. Just like right now, golf courses have been closed for the last year and a half. They finally have reopened. I've been getting myself out there getting some rounds of golf in. Because why? It is something that I'm passionate about, something that I absolutely love to do, which is helping raise my vibrational frequency as much as my spiritually based business, as much as doing some meditation, as much as going out in nature and getting myself grounded, because this is a game of vibrational frequencies. And once you're able to truly start to see things as a certain vibrational frequency, being able to sense within yourself about where you're at and start to look forward to as far as where is it that you want to go, it's going to help speed things up. And as far as on your journey, it's only going to take 2 to 3 timeline shifts, not to bring everything in your reality, but to truly begin to create a massive shift in your everyday life, where all of a sudden things are more peaceful. All of a sudden people are kinder, more caring, and more loving and understanding. All of a sudden you have more and more of these unexpected blessings that come forth, which is going to continue to raise your vibrational frequency. Because right now, the past year and a half, everyone's been locked up. Well, everyone's going out now, is having fun. Therefore, there's going to be a surge as far as raising the vibrational frequency here on Earth. The wonderful thing with going out and doing all these spontaneous things is, one, it's going to help to raise your vibrational frequency. You are going to be feeling better. But more importantly, it's now all this new knowledge that is going to come in, because your consciousness is going to be expanding. That connection you have with God, that connection you have with your angels and your guides is going to strengthen. You're going to be able to feel more of their love around you. And that's going to start to give you that confidence that you might need in order to start to take that first step as far as doing something that you're incredibly passionate about, but you haven't quite figured out exactly how you're going to be moving forward. But focus on this one step at a time. Keep it as simple as possible when you have your idea, and then start to build up on it. And whenever you get those encouraging words, whenever you get that guidance, act on it. And if you're not, it's fine. Take a step back, enjoy life. Because as far as raising your vibration frequency, if you have two options, option number one, someone is just working on something and never has any type of pleasure outside of what is it that they're doing, compared to someone else who is splitting up, is created more of a balanced life. The person who is doing more things as far as activities that they enjoy is going to get to their manifestation faster than someone that just focuses on doing the work, because they're going to be doing two different things, but it's going to help to really raise up their vibration frequency. It's going to have like the compound effect. And as far as moving forward, this summer is about having wonderful, unexpected blessings come forth. It is about receiving miracles. It's about going out for coffee one day, and then the next thing you know, you're out in this wonderful adventure. You're doing something that you're incredibly passionate about. You're having fun. Therefore, you're going to allow that inner child to come out. And nothing is more powerful than that inner child. When you can get that inner child, that excitement, that love, that joy, that happiness from your inner child to come out, you're drastically raising up your vibrational frequency. So be honest with yourself as far as where are you currently at, and where is it that you want to get to. And start looking in your life as far as the TV shows. If you want to attract kind, loving, caring individuals, if you want to start attracting your soul tribe, don't be watching movies with lots of violence. Don't be watching shows with lots of violence. Watch shows with good values, good lessons in it. And it's the same thing as far as music. I absolutely love Metallica, but I've cut them out. I would listen to a song here and there, but the songs are awesome, but the lyrics are too dark. Therefore, I'm consuming more content that's related to my own vibrational frequency as of this very moment. Start looking at that. Same thing as far as foods, as far as alcohol, as far as drugs, as far as any other types of bad habits. They might make you feel good for that short period of time, but you have to look at the consequences as far as how are they going to make you feel over the next week, as an example. And start substituting things. Just because you're letting go of something that you enjoy doing doesn't mean that you can't find something else that you enjoy even more. But you have to get yourself out there. You have to try new things. Just like if you're looking right now for your soul tribe to come forth, it doesn't have to be as far as a work related thing. It could just be something that you're passionate about. You go try something new for the very first time. You start meeting like-minded individuals. All of a sudden you start clicking with one. Next thing you know, you have a lot more in common than you thought. Boom, there you go. You've met your soul tribe, one soul tribe member. But it's getting yourself out there. It's really doing the best you can, literally serving God in the most authentic way that feels right for you. And once you do, you're going to start seeing all the resources are going to start to come forth exactly when they need to. You're going to start noticing, as far as manifesting, you're going to be doing a lot less time meditating as far as wanting to manifest something compared to just receiving it. It's going to start to happen naturally. And then you're going to be able to start to use, example, your meditations to understand things at a different level, to do some astral travel, to just meditate just for the sake of meditating and seeing what comes up. So really focus on your vibrational frequency. Let go of whatever is bringing you down. Consume more of whatever is raising your vibrational frequency. And remember this, that raising your vibrational frequency isn't just about, example, pushing forth, working on your one thing that you're passionate about. It's also about enjoying life. It's also about going out and doing fun activities, letting your inner child out, getting yourself in that present moment, letting go of any of the stress that you might still feel from this society, and just being happy, tapping into that love, joy, and bliss, and being in the present moment. That's going to help to drastically raise up your vibrational frequency and start seeing everything as vibrational frequency. You're going to notice after a short while, you're going to understand that's a high vibrational frequency, that has a lower vibrational frequency, and it's going to become clear as far as what is it that you should consume. Well, I wish you guys an incredible week. You guys have an awesome day. I love you guys. Namaste.